For reparations when he created the Reparations Coordinating Committee that sued on behalf of victims of slavery and racism. Ogletree worked as an attorney for the District of Columbia Public Defender Service before returning to his alma mater as a lecturer in 1984. He was 70 years old. I'm Terry McCready along with Kevin Brown on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
I'm Tariq Lowe with Maybe You Didn't Know. Civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. King was the youngest person to ever win the award at the age of 35, but he was not the first black man to win this prize. Maybe you didn't know that Ralph Bunche, in 1950, he received the award for his late 40s work as a United Nations mediator in the Palestine conflict. Ralph Bunche believed in his work. The Nobel Committee referred to one of his lectures in which Bunche talked about the qualities mediatorship is that, in his words, they should be biased against war, and for peace, they should have a bias which would lead them to believe in the essential goodness of their fellow man and that no problem of human relations is insoluble. They should be biased against suspicion, intolerance, hate, religious, and racial bigotry. Bunche described himself as an incurable optimist and later helped lead the 1965 Civil Rights March organized by Dr. King in Montgomery, Alabama. I'm Tariq Lowe on BIN. Black News in 30 minutes. The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Natasha Williamson, your home for 24/7 News on San Francisco's BIN 910. 7 months into her new job as Alameda County's new district attorney, Kamala Price is under fire. A group has launched an effort to have her recalled and removed from office. A civil rights attorney, Price ran on a platform of reform and transformation of the justice system, particularly for black and brown people. But critics accuse her of being soft on crime. Now one of her former prosecutors is breaking her silence about Price's decision to reduce the charges in one of the Bay Area's most infamous cold cases. She says Price's decision to remove the special circumstances of the case of David Nish, an accused serial killer, undid decades of investigative work that led to his arrest. Now longtime Alameda prosecutor Colleen McMahon is speaking out to NBC Bay Area, openly criticizing that decision by African-American District Attorney Pamela Price.
I know more about these cases than anyone, probably even to this day. And to not have a discussion with me about the impact that charging decision may have on the future of the case is unthinkable.
The families of the victims are upset too. The family of Michaela Garrett calling the DA's decision unbelievable. Price saying she understands why they feel that way.
I appreciate that they are still, have been held hostage by the system because the case has not been resolved after so many years. What my commitment to them was then and continues to be, and which I have fulfilled, is that we're going to prosecute this case as expeditiously as we can.
This remains locked up, charged with several crimes, but Garrett's family can never recover her body. Never get true justice for the little girl who was killed 34 years ago when she was just 9 years old. And in Northern University studies says a program in Santa Clara County is preventing homelessness. Professor from the college says one time
and viewpoints expressed in this commentary are those of the author and do not necessarily represent those of BIN and its staff.
Keeps missing the larger point in trying to cover black celebrities. Let me offer some examples. Media have been surrounding the drama between actress Homa and boyfriend Darius Jackson, connected to his criticism of Homer's attire showing both of her butt cheeks as a mother. But the larger media missed the real issue. It wasn't really about a man trying to police a woman's clothing choices, but more about relationship expectations and how two people who really didn't know each other didn't have any business co-parenting. And I would point to other female celebrities who are also mothers who stay half naked, like Salma Hayek, Liz Hurley, Halle Berry, and Sofia Vergara. And nobody bats an eye, not even their mates. The real story was about the shoddy co-parenting, not mommy's wardrobe. Another example, Gabrielle Union, who snapped at those who have criticized her for wearing a thong dress to her movie premiere, saying that she's too old for such alleged thirsty behavior. But seeing that she's younger than Salma Hayek, Liz Hurley, Halle Berry, and Sofia Vergara, that clearly isn't true. But the real issue isn't what's appropriate or not, it's that attention-seeking behavior usually gets attention. Black media should have been telling that story. That is the issue. Be it double butt cheeks on BET or thong dresses on the red carpet. The real discussion is that celebrities can't have it both ways. If you show your in public, you're doing it for attention. You don't then also get to control how that attention plays out. Do better, black media. I'm Mo Kelly at Mr. Mo Kelly on social media, and that's your 2-minute warning on the Black Information Network. When trust matters, count on BIN.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Doug Davis. Here's what's trending. Former Minneapolis police officer Tutow, who held back a crowd during George Floyd's arrest in 2020, is sentenced to 4 years in prison for aiding and abetting second-degree manslaughter in the death of Floyd. And that's what's trending.
Sports on the Black Information Network.
Black gymnast Simone Biles is back. The Olympic champion returned to competitive gymnastics on Saturday in the U.S. Classic in Illinois.